Dear gastro pilgrims, today Pete's Pans prepares Escabeche de Codorniz, Quail prepared Escabeche style. More on that in a second. An hour and a half northeast of Madrid in the province of Guadalajara lies Siguenza, known for its centuries-old architecture, including the fortress-like cathedral and the castle, which now serves as a parador de turismo, one of the chain of luxury state-run hotels. Fascinating and all that, but I'm getting hungry. And there's nothing more authentic and traditional in the region of Castilla-La-Mancha than pigeon or quail escabechadas. And you know, I have a feeling I can do better than the one I was served on the square. So, to the carniceria, the butcher, for some plump quail. The escabeche is a classic, ancient technique primarily used for preservation. Meats, vegetables and fish can be cooked and optionally preserved in escabeche, lending a lovely acidity from the wine and vinegar. Oh yes, I'm Peter. A very warm welcome to Pete's Pans, the channel that seeks out the greatest, most traditional recipes here on the ground in the provinces, so do subscribe for weekly doses of authentic, on-location cookery. Oh, I'm delighted to see this señorita, my lunch guest, tucking in enthusiastically. Otherwise, if they don't like it, I'll have to edit these bits out. So I hope you're inspired to give this tasty, piquant escabeche de Codorniz recipe a go. Let me know below if you prepare escabeches and how you got on if trying this one from Siguenza in Guadalajara.